Did you know starting an Amazon business is the biggest step to your becoming prosperous this year? With over 40 subsidiaries, about 100 million users in the US alone accessing its sites, and $125.6 billion in sales revenue in the fourth quarter of 2020. Amazon.com is an e-commerce platform that delivers everything, anywhere to everyone, and is fast becoming the world's #1 business platform. The online store has continued to develop in the online shopping technology with new products, services, and expansion of its subsidiaries and customer base. 10% of North America's e-commerce is owned by Amazon, with other top companies owning another 10%. The remaining 80% is open to other retailers. Whether you wish to sell a product or service or build your e-retail store, Amazon is a great place for a start. Amazon boasts of 300 million plus active customer accounts in 180 plus countries, and with $3.5 billion sales by third-party selling partners during Primetime Day 2020. That means to own an Amazon business as a seller, you have access to reach hundreds of millions of customers who shop on Amazon. According to Amazon, the advent of third-party business owners selling on its platform account for 58% of Amazon sales. Third-party sales are also growing at the rate of 52% per year compared to 25% first-party sales by Amazon. In this video, we will show you in 7 steps all you need to know about doing business on Amazon. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. Amazon Business is a B2B marketplace for third-party businesses to sell alongside the first-party business of Amazon that gives customers the option, from a wide range of product offerings, to purchase directly from Amazon or the third-party sellers. Amazon Business uses the tools and convenience of Amazon to purchase directly from manufacturers and suppliers, and to market their products and brands while offering customers the preference to select from a range of sellers and order goods based on best price and shipping. In the US alone, there are more than 500,000 small and medium-sized businesses selling on Amazon. Amazon Business third-party sellers make up more than 50% of the $10 billion Amazon annual sales rate. With the B2B e-commerce, a platform is created for small and large business enterprises to access business customers with the tools and convenience of Amazon. Amazon Business Analytics tools help you track the expenditure and progress of your business. The vast network of manufacturers and distributors on Amazon Business allows business owners access to options for a wide range of products and brands, and an easy way to order and make bulk purchases, which attracts a large number of discounts and even tax exemptions. Amazon also offers you the tools to build, grow, protect, and personalize your brand and product pages to your taste and needs. Amazon Business offers you options on advertising and makes suggestions on improving traffic. Once you have launched your business, Amazon provides the tools for growth. Amazon Global Selling puts your business on the global front with millions of customers. Signing up on the Amazon Business is free. Amazon Business operates a dual plan called the Professional Plan or Premium that costs $39.99 per month, which allows you to sell as many items as possible in a month. The individual plan or Standard costs 99 cents per sale. There are additional selling, subscriptions, shipping, and FBA fees for both plans. Start by signing up, then register to sell on Amazon. Before you start selling, decide on which Amazon Business plan suits you. You have the Professional Selling Plan and the Individual Selling Plan. They are called Premium and Standard plans respectively. You can switch between plans. If you sell more than 40 items a month and you want more business reports and APIs, then the Professional Plan is right for you. To complete your registration, you should have access to your bank account and routing number, government-issued national ID, chargeable credit card, tax information, and phone number. Once you are done with the registration, you will gain access to your Seller Central account. With this, you can list your products, start selling, and have a one-stop shop to manage your Amazon business. Here you can add product information, make inventory updates, and manage all payments. As an existing seller, you can add Amazon Business features through your Seller Central and create a business profile. Before you start selling, create a product listing. You can match your product with an existing listing or create a new one. To start listing the product, you would need a Global Trade Item Number, GTIN, such as a UPC, EAN, or USBN of the product, used by Amazon to identify the exact product, unless the product already is in an existing listing. Use the listing tools to add your catalog. You also need to input the product title, image, and description. After product listing, then launch to your product detail page. This is where customers view a product sold on Amazon. You have the option to ship shoppers their stuff yourself, which is called merchant fulfillment, or allow Amazon to take responsibility for packaging, labeling, and shipping your product to customers through Fulfillment by Amazon. Lastly, start selling and scale your business to the next level. If you want to start an Amazon now, you would need to get your sign-up free for Amazon Business and complete your registration. To complete your registration, you would need a bank account and routing number, national ID, credit card, tax information, and phone number. You need also to download the Amazon Seller app on the Apple App Store or Google Play to update or manage your Seller Central account on your mobile phone. Amazon Business receives discounts on millions of products and chose from a wide range of distributors and manufacturers offering the best products at low costs. With FBA, Amazon renders a world-class service and returns for purchases. It offers your business super saver shipping to help your business grow. Owning an Amazon Business enables you to reach B2C and B2B customers with great sales and returns. In general, Amazon businesses make money from product sales, incentives, discounts, and tax exemptions. Going by the data from junglescoop.com, most Amazon businesses make at least $1,000 in a month in sales, and some super sellers grab $250,000 in sales every month. This amounts to $3 million in annual sales. Furthermore, 44% of Amazon businesses make from $1,000 to $25,000 per month, amounting to $12,000 to $300,000 in annual sales. This is an average of various research results of Amazon business sales. Did you find this video helpful? Would you like to start your Amazon business? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.